Good evening, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope all are doing well, and I would like to thank all of you who have been joining and be the part of our event tonight. About myself, I'm a bit nervous and also very excited to be here and being the host of Beowulf press conference today. So no more further wait. Allow me to introduce our speaker for today's event. First of all, Mr. 𝗕𝗲cie𝗂𝗹𝗳, Chief of Business Development at Beowulf, and Mr. Dylan Park, Director of Global Business Development at Beowulf. Let me introduce the partner of the background of Mr. 𝗕𝗲cie first. Hi, Jeremy. Can you say hello?
Hi. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, sure. So okay. Jeremy is an international business operator. He's also founder and blockchain entrepreneur with a proven track record of successfully growing organization from the ground up. He is now serving as Chief Business Development Officer of Beowulf Group. Let's introduce Dylan. Hi, Dylan. Can you hear us?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, very well. Thank you. So Dylan, he's an accomplished entrepreneur and business development expert with over 12 years of experience in fast-moving consumer goods, digital, mobile entertainment, and also ICT sector across the US, China, South Korea, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. So now let's go to the first part of our event tonight. With the speech from Mr. 𝗕𝗲cie, he will share with us about the crucial part of Beowulf blockchain. Hi, welcome, 𝗕𝗲cie.
Hi. Thank you, Trang. You have been really kind with your introduction. So hi all. Good evening from Singapore. Morning or afternoon, depending on which part of the country you're in. I'm honored here to be here today as a representative of Beowulf Chain, sharing a remarkable telecommunications breakthrough with you. Now, the fact that we are all connected on this platform right now, running directly on a blockchain infrastructure, you would agree with me that this is already an unprecedented functional success for blockchain. So think about that for a moment. Yeah. Now, the pandemic has accelerated the rate of adoption of digital meetings like this, conferences and communications on the whole. Now, the idea that we will be video conferencing everything, has become a reality from preschoolers all the way to the working class. I think that we can agree the new norm is here, that every meeting, professional or social, can and will be conducted digitally. Now, the digital communication phenomenon has propelled established companies like Zoom into the $130 million market cap. Startups like Beowulf, like us, have achieved widespread organic growth from the onset, something we'll share about later. And this is a feat, I think, for any company, let alone a blockchain company. So having said all this, digital communication is not without its challenges, We have access blockage of video streams in several countries, causing serious issues for international meetings. High platform fees causes issues for lessons to be conducted in less affluent countries. And latency and poor internet networks in third world countries bring communications to a literal standstill. And I think you would agree if you have joined a couple of Zoom meetings that this actually happens a lot. Now, Beowulf solves all these struggles, what we are demonstrating here. It is at the root of what we do. Using the blockchain for 24/7 distributed access breaks through many barriers to telecommunication adoption and deployment. Currently, it's being translated to Vietnamese as we speak real time, through our technology. So with Beowulf, access to telco platforms depends largely on local nodes, bypassing international access issues, and thereby bringing in stunning low latency quality to videos and calls. By decentralizing network ownership, fees are kept extremely low and transparent. Now, these mechanics will be detailed by my co-speaker, Dylan. All right. We are solving a big problem. Let's take note of that. Beowulf will become synonymous to the era of video conferencing and communications. And we're not just stopping there. Using cutting-edge technologies coupled with the blockchain, we aim to become a cloud network powerhouse that will serve as the global infrastructure for communications in a post-pandemic world. We will serve businesses of all shapes and sizes as they inevitably transform digitally. Now, if you look under the hood of the Beowulf project, you will see a cleverly designed decentralized finance or DeFi model, now providing incentives to running the Beowulf chain. This allows for a self-propagating system of adoption and participation, resulting in true organic decentralization. Those who are in the blockchain space will know all these very well, right? We are really excited to be rolling out this program with a lot more details to follow, some of them by my co-speakers and later as we address the Q&A as well, no doubt. So DeFi is certainly a trending topic today, right? Everybody knows this. But the way it is deployed is typically unsustainable and misunderstood. With Beowulf, we have a utility-driven model, right? Built with actual product usage in mind, making it both sustainable and meaningful. Without doubt, this will be the DeFi project to watch in this space in the coming weeks. Now, before I pass the time over to my co-speakers, let us once again be reminded that we are running this very presentation on the blockchain. This is both exciting and mind-blowing all at the same time. Very few blockchains are designed with a specific intent in mind, let alone executed the way Beowulf has successfully done. We are ahead of our competition and we improve daily to remain so. So we are not a white paper project. Our product is not in the proof of concept stage. We are 100% commercial and fully deployed. Beowulf has signed on truly fantastic partners who are already using our products daily, right? Allowing us a user base of no less than 10 million right now. For example, we have Vietnam's largest taxi fleet using our technology, right? Among many others in finance, academia, and even the telecommunications industry itself, some of which will be detailed by Dylan. Now, news of many of these partnerships are currently embargoed, unfortunately, but will be gradually released over the next few weeks, so do stay tuned. Special thanks, of course, for this product innovation definitely needs to go to William, the founder, and Beowulf is his brainchild, as well as not forgetting the highly talented technical team who have chalked up accolades, right, in academia and in the commercial realm for their work in this remarkable project. With that, let me pass on to my colleague Dylan, who will take you into the technicalities as well as the business of Beowulf. Now, Dylan, if you please.
Yes, thanks, Jeremy. It was very insightful, including the current pandemic situation and technology side of your thoughts and unfolding how Beowulf actually works within this strong trend of industry. You know, we're entering into a new way of living, a very, very painful one recently, because not just because we are isolated from a lot of our loved ones and friends, but because also it was so sudden. However, I don't know, like recently I'm thinking in back of my mind, we're like, this could have happened. We knew this could happen sooner or later. We've been taking courses online, you know, meeting with colleagues on video conference calls, mega-sized online events, shopping on mobile, and more. These are some of the happenings that we've been witnessing. Digital communication is the core technology infrastructure to support any activities online and mobile. It's very, very crucial. And I'm sure that a lot of people already know what blockchain is, and blockchain technology will take us into another level by making internet online activities, by making it trustless trusts. So marriage between digital communication and blockchain technology seemed very inevitable to us. We established our organization based on our massive experiences in blockchain technology and educational technology. We started building a Beowulf product. Our goal solely, the initial goal was to be able to provide the most effective and affordable communication tools available to mass public users and businesses. That was our core mission. By decentralizing the cloud network, using some of our cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology to optimize the use of the data, we were able to provide the high performance and low cost communication services and solutions to many of our clients and mass users across the world. In the system of decentralized cloud network, some people might be unfamiliar with this. It's like decentralization of AWS, Amazon Web Services, or Google Cloud. Most of the services are being now run on cloud network. Now we're decentralizing that by involving anyone with computer and internet access can contribute a little of their computing power and internet bandwidth to power Beowulf's communication service engine. This is the way that we could provide high performance and cost-effective service to many companies, many clients of ours. So based on this core technology we launched the product, our flagship product, 𝗕𝗲cie teleconferencing and communication service, which we are currently using. It has a capacity up to 5,000 participants at once, which is very, very unprecedented in the market. In addition to that, we launched a 𝗕𝗲cie 𝗕𝗲cie These are some of the names that you could find in our website. These are for education institutions using both blockchain and decentralized cloud network to support their online education, as well as application on medical services are one of our products in our inner suite. So not stopping at helping people and businesses stay connected using telecommunications, we also developed our own native blockchain mainnet and blockchain suites to support large transaction volumes, easy scalable integration of blockchain for any businesses at any scale. So these are the two core areas, telecommunication and blockchain, that we provide to our clients. We started unfolding our service to our clients starting early 2019, where we were breathing without the masks. COVID-19 pandemic hit the end of the year, and we were surprised. Demand for our service increased exponentially. Now Beowulf is working with over 100 business partners at many different sizes and clients across 7 countries and more. We're serving millions and millions of users globally right now. We were working at our best, day and night, weekends. We couldn't really stop serving our customers. Previously, Jeremy kind of touched based on some of the names of the clients. I just want to kind of highlight some of the clients that we have, which kind of rings a bell within the community, possibly. VMPT is biggest telecom communication company, one of the earliest members of our partners and clients. We partner with largest state-owned hospital in Hanoi called 𝗕𝗲cie Hospital, largest taxi company, Mylin Taxi Group, prestigious educational institutions around ASEAN region, Vietnamese National University, Ho Chi Minh City, Fulbright University, National Taiwan Normal University, and many more. Recently we've made a few announcements on our new partnerships in different regions. As I cover South Korean territory, I can kind of highlight on a couple of those partnerships, recent partnerships, which we're very, very excited about. First one is the FHO Games. It's a game company established out of Korea, which is a mecca of games. You guys already know, like PUBG and all these new games coming out of Korea. this company established 10 years ago. They're providing services like games and digital entertainment content to now over 20 million users across Latin America, like Mexico, Peru, Brazil. They're currently working with game IPs, very famous game IPs like I mentioned, PUBG, League of Legends, Game of Thrones, Out of the Movie, Point Blank, all different kinds of games and game contents. We're partnering with them to strengthen their business by helping them connect their users to each other and also offer our cutting-edge blockchain technology suits to support their fintech area. Second one is also one thing that I'm very, very excited about too, because recently around the entertainment news, you see that, you probably heard of like Blackpink and BTS, hitting the chart in the Billboard in the US. The news just came out yesterday. It's very hot news. One of the largest K-pop and drama news media company based in Korea. They're serving countries in Philippines and US and Singapore. It's called 𝗕𝗲cie𝗂𝗹𝗳. They have currently a largest community of 10 million users across these countries. And they asked us literally help them to build a platform where the stars can meet with their fans alive. So it's incredible. We're not only reaching out to them, they're reaching out to us to help them adopt this digital telecommunication services. So, and in addition to that, it's very unique to any other news media company. 𝗕𝗲cie𝗂𝗹𝗳 offers loyalty points that's convertible to their own cryptocurrency, and which we will be able to support enhancement of their crypto ecosystem by offering our blockchain technology suite as well as our cryptocurrency services and tokens. So, these are like some of the big names that we can't just go on and on, but we can say that we are serving millions of users around the world. That's our main goal of our business. I mean, there are many more companies that we're in talks with for strategic and business partner cooperation. We'll continue to reach as many users as possible in the shortest time we could get, forming partnerships with this business by offering our world-class telecommunication services. Later, extend our business across the blockchain side too, which will enrich our BWF token economy. And of course, we'll be working with many more global leading crypto exchanges, providing higher liquidity and stability of BWF token. I think I was so excited. I talked too much, I guess. I'm afraid that I put you all asleep. I'll stop here and pass the mic to Trang for the last section of this conference.
No problem, Dylan. I think all of us love to hear what you're sharing, especially about the B2B business partner. So thank Dylan again for all the valuable info you just shared with us. So dear friends and partner, we have been listening to Mr. Jeremy, who shared with us about the crucial part of Beowulf, and Mr. Dylan, who shared with us about the connection between Beowulf technology and its role for the past years. However, there is some aspects I still think like I want to know more about Beowulf. So how about we ask both of our speakers joining me on the next sessions to give us some more further information based on the question that I think many investors will also would like to ask when they learn about the new project. So Jeremy and Dylan, are you ready?
Yes, please, let's go. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Okay, so I go to the first question now. So why does Beowulf use blockchain technology for its business? I think I would like to choose Jeremy to help me to answer these questions.
Okay, yeah. I think that's really it's an existential question, right, to a company like us. And you see, 99% of the blockchains out there are in fact solutions trying to find a problem, right? Solutions trying to find a problem. And mostly if you scrutinize them, many can be replaced with centralized databases and control. Now, there's hardly ever a need for blockchain in those projects, right? Which is, again, I said 99% of out there. Beowulf, on the other hand, started with one problem set, right? Something which I covered earlier in my presentation. The problems of high fees, access, poor internetworks, right, in current video telecommunication platforms. Now, mind you, these are not problems you may personally face in first world nations, but they become especially pronounced in developing nations. And these nations are the ones which form the most high growth area of digital adoption, right? Where even companies like Zoom might be struggling to get adoption. So these problems are solved using blockchain with its decentralized approach to localized nodes, providing key access points, solid connections, right? And something we know very well, right? Paired with low fees from users leasing out their access bandwidth. Now, to say that blockchain is critical to Beowulf's success is an understatement. Beowulf blockchain and associated products such as 𝗕𝗲𝗹, which you are using right now, is primed to prove a strong technological use case to blockchain, aside from simply, currency such as Bitcoin. Now, additionally, Beowulf has gained endorsement and adoption from key enterprise partners, a lot of which Dylan has detailed, right, in areas of healthcare, academia, telecoms, finance industries, and even entertainment. You name it, we have it. Now, we have many partners, right? And you can also refer to our website. I dropped the link in the chat just now for all the latest news on the partnerships. And we continue to update on a regular daily basis, sometimes even real time, because of that many partnerships. Now, this has already opened up Beowulf, to no less than 10 million, as I mentioned. But really, when you hear what Dylan has shared, we're looking at really more than 20 million users country, many of whom are already using our product, unaware of the blockchain layer that is empowering it. Right. So I hope I answered the question. Over to you, Trang.
Yeah, I'm very happy about your answer, Jeremy. And I also really like the part that Beowulf is already now taking care of the section like healthcare, academy, telecom, and also even like financial industry, right? So let's move to the second questions. I would like to ask is also like, what is Beowulf plan to decentralize its blockchains? So maybe Jeremy again, can you help me to answer this?
Sure. So again, very important question because we have described the entire platform, but we want to address what a lot of the listeners, a lot of the would-be buyers of our tokens will be concerned with. So the first step, right, to having a decentralized blockchain is to first ensure token liquidity and supernode adoption. Now, these two need to come hand in hand, right? So by pairing these two, users are appropriately incentivized to run the blockchain. Now, what will happen? This will in turn spread globally, right? Opening up nodes in every corner of the world. Now, the benefits of running the Beowulf blockchain also comes on the back of a strong functional product. Without a product, there's no reason to run the blockchain, right? Now, this product not only provides the BWF coin as incentives, which is the native coin, but it will also share transactional fees within the network based on user fees, right, in the form of W coins, which is a stable coin. All this information can be found on our website if you were to go there. Now, based on our estimates of the incentivization structure, early Beowulf supernode holders are benefiting greatly. The early ones, right, which are you guys listening right now. You will benefit with a large reward share, giving almost 200% returns in the first year alone, right? Now, bear in mind that this is a significant return based on an actual product use case, right? Both stable, meaningful, and impactful. So over to you, Trang.
Wow, 200% return per year, I think is very significant number and very impressive. So the Supernode is play very heavy role in the plan of decentralized Beowulf technology, right? So how about the role of BWF token? How is plays role in your plan, Jeremy?
Okay. Yeah. So earlier I described the Supernode as well as how we're ensuring liquidity. So obviously we want to look at the Beowulf or BWF token closely, right? So BWF token is a key piece of the entire Beowulf economy, without which it just won't function, right? Why? It acts as both a reward-based token for Supernode holders, but it's also the fuel for the chain itself to operate, very much like how Ether works for Ethereum chain. Now, this is really exciting, but I'm going to keep my lips sealed on this one because it's embargoed right now. We're not supposed to be releasing it. But there will be very exciting elements within the DeFi ecosystem that BWF can soon be used for, right? Those, again, will be announced very soon. Bear with me here, but stay tuned. Yeah, over to you, Trang.
Wow, so you just mentioned about the DeFi ecosystem that the BWF can also be used for. I think all the participants today would like to stay tuned to receive certain announcement in the future from Beowulf team. So go for the next questions because you mentioned about the Supernode. So now I think I want to ask Dylan about that. So Dylan, can you explain more about the Supernode program and how people who run this Supernode can benefit from it?
Sure thing, Trang. Let me just, it's a lot of, this is very important, Supernode program. This is very beneficial for all the participants in our community, even including myself. There's a very big reward behind this. Most of our information is in our website. There are very detailed specs. Can you guys hear me? Am I on a mute? Okay, sounds good. I saw the chatting on the chatting group, and someone said I'm on the mute. Anyways, so specs are very simple. I'll just walk you through very simple areas, but you could find more information on the website. You have to hold more than 3 million BWF tokens and specifications satisfying network requirements. And lastly, syncing up with our Beowulf blockchain network. These are the 3 requirements you could find on our website. We can share that on our group chat again to find out more about it. Each Supernode are stakeholders of the blockchain. It's the meaning about decentralization, equal chances to produce the blocks. Therefore, important part, all supernodes will fairly earn block rewards and transaction fees associated with particular blocks created through our services like 𝗕𝗲𝗋. So just make sure you guys know 3 million BWF coins and satisfying requirements. You will be able to participate in DeFi. You get your DeFi in your pocket. So I think this will answer your questions. But again, please refer to our website for more information. Trang?
Cool. Yes, thank you, Dylan. I think the information you provide is already very detailed, but surely the participant can find more information on the website, especially about the network requirements, how they can run the Supernode on the website, right? Okay, so let's go to the next question then. The next question I will also would like to ask you, Dylan. So every business has its competitors. How about Beowulf and how about your business?
Yes, definitely. We have enables businesses around the world to add, build, operate customizable communication features without any entry barriers. Very low cost. These are, we got strengths like low setup fees, operation costs, infinite scalability, security, privacy, that offered by blockchain technology. These are some of our key strengths that we are ahead of a game where we can definitely compete in the market, which is proven by number of the partners we're onboarding.
Thank you, Dylan. So, I mean, like every business has their competitors, and competition is actually one of the good sides that to helping us to improve our business, also our product day by day, right? But according to your answer, I hear that Beowulf also has many competitive edges, like the security, the privacy, also the transparency, and definitely that Beowulf is already ahead on those competitor eggs. Very nice answer, Dylan. So how about if you can tell us more about your future big plans, Beowulf future big plans? Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. I think we believe in simple, simple value. Even in our businesses too, the core goal of our team is to build, to expand our B2B client network as much as we can so that we can serve as many people as possible in a short period of time. Business value, I mean, blockchain technology is good, but if it's not backed up by real business, what's the meaning of it? We have to have the real business intact so that we could deploy and make sure that people get the benefits of the blockchain. So that's the core direction that we're taking. As part of this plan, this is very important announcement and update because this is going to impact our business growth exponentially. We are preparing to open up our 𝗕𝗲𝗃 as a platform for third-party businesses to build each business's own application on real-time video conferencing technology that we have. Meaning, any companies can build a service like 𝗕𝗲𝗃 now on our PaaS, which is platform as a service. By doing this, we want to speed up the growth of our company by our goal is to acquire more than 10 million active users in less than 1 year. And we already have a massive user base clients who wants to deploy our service to their platform. And we believe this is very, very achievable. And lastly, I made a note that, I assume that there are a few people who are interested in investing in a cryptocurrency exchange. So cryptocurrencies. So of course, in addition to our businesses, we're definitely, continuing our talks with major global cryptocurrency exchanges. One's in US, of course. We're listing on Bittrex Global Exchange, and we're talking to several ones in Korea and Singapore and multiple different areas of in this field to provide higher liquidity and accelerate our mass adoption. So that's what we're currently doing, and we'll continue to do so to bring value to our business ecosystem community.
Thank you, Dylan. So, sound like Beowulf already have a clear big plan in the future. So, you guys want to acquire 10 million users. The numbers are very impressive for me, but based on the history track record of B2B business client that Beowulf already acquired, I do believe that Beowulf can achieve 10 million users in less than a year. Very nice. Okay, so I think we have been going through on the question that I already prepared for you guys. How about let's invite one of our participants to see if there is any more information that our participant would like to know from Beowulf. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I will invite one of the participants. Her name is Annie. Hi, Annie, can you hear me? Cool.
I have a question for the panelists. I heard that you guys are going to be listed on Bittrex Global soon, and there's a giveaway of 100 million coins. Yeah, so I'm interested in how to win the prize, win the giveaway. The giveaway.
Wow, yeah, I also want to know about that too, Dylan. Can you help me to answer this question, please?
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is very, very important for all the community. Can you hear me now?
Yes, very well. Yeah.
Yes. So this is very pivotal moment for our community. We're getting listed on Bittrex Global Exchange. This is just a start, but for the celebration of our first ever listing on the public market, we're giving away 100 million BWF coins to BWF coin holders. It's very simple to participate. The value for now, it's $1 million value, and each person will receive up to 6,000 BWF coin, which is $60, which is very, very sizable. But it's just based on the value of each token at 1 US cent, $0.01. So, who wonder how much it will worth when it's actually released. But for now, it's $1 million. It's a large pool of rewards. It's easy to participate. You open up an account on Bittrex Global Exchange tomorrow morning and buy BWF tokens. And you have to withdraw those tokens and store that into your ERC20 public wallet. Then we will detect those transactions and make a snapshot on 8 p.m. October 7th, 2020. October 7th, 2020, 8 p.m. If you maintain more than 20,000 BWF coin in your wallet, then you will receive the rewards of 6,000 BWF coin, which is very easy to do. And you will be winning $60 or more value of BWF coin by just holding it.
Thank you. That was very helpful.
Yes.
I think Annie is very happy with your answer. So actually, there's a few simple steps, right? You just buy the BWF coin, transfer it to your ERC20 wallet, and then wait until the snapshot happen on the 7th of October. Yeah, and then you will receive your reward. Very simple step. Okay,
yes.
Thank you for your information. So yeah, dear friends and partners, that the last sessions has already wrapped up our event tonight, and I hope that the speech and also the panel discussions that already answer all the questions you may have towards Beowulf. So let's stay in touch and follow Beowulf on its journey in the future by joining Beowulf official Telegram group or channel, and also follow Beowulf on Twitter as well. And don't forget that the Beowulf token will be launching on Bittrex Global Exchange tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Singapore time. That means from tomorrow, we can already buy BWF token with USDT or BTC, and then join the staking program later on Bittrex. So on behalf of Beowulf Blockchain, thank you all for making time in your busy schedule to join us here this event. And it has been my pleasure to host this event, and I wish all of you safe and healthy. Yeah, so bye-bye, guys. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you, everyone, for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.